Hey guys, Praveen here, and today we are going to see how to convert this pricing section into a responsive mobile layout. So let's just start by fully copying this, and I'm gonna change this to something like maybe iPhone Plus or iPhone Pro Max. I think Plus is fine. Okay, so we're going to convert this pricing section into a responsive layout basically for the iPhone 16. So let's just uh, copy the background color. Perfect, it's late 50, and I'm gonna copy this header, and I'm gonna change this to auto layout, and let's add 24 on either side, on all sides actually, and fill container. I'm gonna remove all the text here. Perfect. Okay, so this is going to be start for free, get started, just get started, so that it's nice and small, and probably a hamburger menu. So let me open an icon pack, and yeah, let's use this one. Perfect. This is going to be 18. Yeah, that looks good, and basically every other section is pretty easy. So let's add 52. Yeah, 52 will work. Maybe 52 will be too much. Oh, I think this works. So this will be fill container, and this should be not, it's a little big right now, I think. And yeah, the text size should be regulated. So in mobile, it's even closer to your face. You can read much better in very low font sizes even. So this is good. This can be the same, but we can increase the padding a little bit. Perfect. And this cards, I think in mobile it can just be the pricing, and then below we can show all these information. So let me show you, yeah, something like this. I'll paste here, I'll change this to bottom, I'll change the width to fill container. Perfect, and everything should be fill container. Okay, so here you can just see all the cards first, and then the user can see the exact feature list. Maybe in a table we'll have that later, but this is so that the user just sees all the pricing first, and then we can add a table later showing all the feature list. So let's just make this full width as much as possible. Okay, this can be teams here, this can also quickly end here. Perfect. I think this can be maybe 3% data spacing. Yeah, I think that looks good, and yeah, that's it. So next we will probably add a table with all the feature list, but this is how you quickly convert your desktop laptop frame into a mobile layout. Let me know if you have any questions, and let me know if you need to see more conversions like this. I can do dashboards, even more landing page sections. So yeah, bye bye.